Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to create a calendar in Notion. So really simple, guys. So head to your Notion account. Then at the top on the left-hand side, we're going to click on New Page. So as usual, you have a opportunity to create your own calendar from scratch, but if you want some help, there are loads of amazing free templates. So I'm just going to click on templates. Then in the search bar, I'm going to type in calendar. So let's see what comes up. So we've got all different calendars that come up. So we've got like just a basic calendar, events calendar, my calendar, social media calendar, different content calendars. So if you're like a blogger or influencer, you can have like an Instagram content calendar to keep things organized, or a home cleaning calendar if you've got like a busy household. So you can also type into the search bar something a bit more specific, like 30-day calendar, or a different type of calendar that you're looking for. But when you see one that you like, all you have to do is click on it. And so let's have a look. So that one looks quite good to me, so I'm going to add it. So you'll be asked to add it to one of your spaces, so private or your main space. So I'm going to add it to my private section. So that'll be added to my space, and then I can start to edit it. So when I'm ready, I'm going to click on my calendar and you can start editing it. So really, really simple. All you need to do is click on the plus sign on the date where you want to add an event, and you can add things in that you need to do to keep yourself organized. You can change like the dates and times, and so here you can like include a time. So it might be like 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. And when you're ready, that will be added to your calendar. So that's how to make a calendar in Notion. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.